In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a database in Notion. Duplicating a database is really useful when you already have a setup you like and you want to reuse the same structure without rebuilding it from scratch. This could be a task manager, a content calendar, a CRM, or any other database you've customized. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make a copy of that database and start using it right away. First, open the Notion page that contains the database you want to duplicate. Make sure you can see the database itself, not just a linked view somewhere else. You want to be on the main database block, whether it's a table, board, list, gallery, timeline, or calendar. Now move your mouse to the top left corner of the database. As you hover over that area, you'll see a small handle appear with 8 dots. This 8 dot icon is Notion's block handle, and it lets you access options for that specific block. If you don't see it right away, just slowly hover around the top left edge of the database until it appears. Once you see the 8 dots, click on them. This will open a menu with different options related to the database block. You might see options like Move to, Turn into, and a few others, depending on your setup. What we're looking for in this menu is the duplicate option. In that menu, click on Duplicate. As soon as you do, Notion will create a copy of the entire database, including all its properties, views, ease, and any data that's currently inside. This is a full duplicate, so it's ideal when you want the same layout and structure. After clicking Duplicate, look for the new database that appears, usually right below or near the original. This is your duplicated version. At this point, you can click into the title of the new database and rename it to something that makes sense for its new purpose. Renaming it right away helps avoid confusion between the original and the copy. From here, you can customize this duplicated database however you like. You can delete old entries if you want a fresh start, adjust properties, or tweak views. The key thing to remember is that changes you make in the duplicated database will not affect the original, so you can safely experiment. That's all you need to do to duplicate a database in Notion. With just a click on the 8 dots and then duplicate, you can reuse your favorite setups again and